going to work through an example showing how to use absolute positioning now in order to show how to place elements where you want them in a web page. And this is important when you want to do partial updates of a web page using Ajax. And in this case, we're going to have 3 div elements. As you see here, each div element is going to contain both an image and text. So the image is going to be just an image JPEG file, JPEG image displaying the words image 1 and image 2 and image 3, and there'll be a caption as well in each div, image 1, image 2, image 3. And what's important here for our purposes is that the div element's style property, style attribute, is set to these style rules, which says position : absolute. That means that the element can be positioned in absolute terms in the web page. Position : absolute makes the element positionable in the web page using the left and top properties. Here's the left property. It's set to 50 pixels. So this image 1, will appear with its left edge 50 pixels from the left of the browser's client area. The top property is set to 60. The top of the image will appear at the distance of 60 pixels from the top of the client area, from the 0 of the Y direction, which is the client area. And so you're going to have position is absolute, left is 50 pixels, and top is 60 pixels. That positions this image, this div element containing the image, absolutely. And you're going to have this image 01.jpg displayed, and gives the width and the height of the image as well. And then a break and caption image 1. And image 2 is similar, except it has different coordinates for the left and top style properties, and same thing with image 3, different variables for the different settings for the left and top. Remember, these are in pixels, so this means that the left of image 1, the left edge of image 1 is going to be 50 pixels from the corner of the left edge of the client area, and the left edge of this image 2 is going to be 200 pixels from the left edge of the client area, and image 3 is going to be 350 pixels from the left edge of the client area. Similarly, you have top setting, so the top of this is going to be, the top of image 1 is going to be down by 60 pixels from the top of the client area, and so forth. And so you have 3 div elements, all 3 containing images and text, and they're going to be set with absolute positioning. Their location will be set with absolute positioning. Web page, and let's take a look and see what the result is. And as you see here, there's image 1, image 2, image 3, and there's the captions, image 1, image 2, image 3. Note the stacking here, that image 1 was set first, and then image 2 was set next, image 3 was set next. That follows the order in the document. It's image 1, image 2, image 3 in their div elements. And so since image 1 came first, image 2 gets stacked on top of it, image 3 gets stacked on top of that. We'll show how to change that stacking order soon, and you can affect the stacking order as you like. But in any case, you're able to now position elements absolutely as you like them, and so that's very good for working with pop-ups, for example, and notifications to the user that something's changed in the web page. Very useful for Ajax purposes. Here is the code for this example, position absolute, and then you set the left and top style properties. So very nice and very useful for Ajax programmers to know about.